Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Since last Saturday, May 15th, the citizens of Siniselo Balsamo can count on a vehicle equipped for the transport of people, even with reduced mobility, granted on free loan from PMG Italia to the Don Bosco Social Works of Sesto San Giovanni with the patronage of the municipality of Siniselo Balsamo. This guaranteed mobility project, called The Future on the Road, aims to promote forms of autonomy and social integration thanks to the support of local companies. This patronage means sharing an idea that is a virtuous example of collaboration, commitment and willingness to support the fragilities that are present in society and that today are increasing due to the combination of several factors also resulting from the pandemic. Public or private collaboration can do a lot, and this project is an example of this. In this historic moment to restart in particular, the initiatives to help those who are disadvantaged means equal opportunities, commented the mayor of Siniselo Balsamo, Giacomo Giraldi, and the councillor for the third sector of centrality of the person, Ricardo Vicentin. The project includes social transport and accompanying services of various kinds, which will have to be implemented in the coming months, also in the face of emerging needs. As part of the month of prevention of child abuse and ill treatment, the Muchachos y Muchachas con Don Bosco Network, an institution with a history of 35 years of work for the most vulnerable children and adolescents promoted by the province of the Antilles ANT, has created the campaign We Protect Children in order to prevent and raise awareness among the population of the Dominican Republic on a problem unfortunately very present in the country, if it is true, as the statistics report, that 62% of children and adolescents between 1 and 14 years of age are victims of abuse or mistreatment. As part of this initiative, workshops, forums and other activities were also held to raise awareness of these evils, learn to cope with them and share the message that reducing and eliminating them is everyone's responsibility. An exciting school is an environment where students have the opportunity to learn and be happy. Life in the School or Vocational Training Center is a magnificent opportunity to weave a wide range of relationships that foster learning and well-being. And since, as Don Bosco said, education is a matter of heart, the Salesian thought to offer in the last 6th and 13th May some ideas on how to pay attention and implement the socio-emotional dimension in educational environments through webinar aimed at school leaders throughout Europe. About 70 of these leaders have joined this proposal from the School and Vocational Training Office of the Youth Pastoral Sector. The meeting were held by Professor Jose Ramiro Viso of Spanish origin, Doctor of Education and author of the book Schools That Excite. To mitigate the negative effects of containment due to the pandemic, the Salesian organization Fundación Salvador del Mundo Fulsamo is carrying out family afternoon initiatives. The goal is to promote in a healthy and safe environment a recreational space for the families of the young people of the Salesian youth centers of San Miguel, Santa Ana and Soyapango. The activity involves the interaction between families, the learning and practice of different sports disciplines such as cycling, football, aerobics, painting workshops and picnics. On May 15th, the diaconal ordination of 10 young Salesians also took place in the Salesian Church, San Stanislaw Kostka in Krakow, Debniki, also broadcast online. The celebration was presided over by Monsieur Stanislaw Jamrozek, Auxiliary Bishop of Przemysl. The new deacons, Grzegorz Chemlinski, Dominik Iwanski, Dominik Krujinski, Christian Lipinski, PLN, Piotr Lesnikowski, PLO, Miroslaw Kosiek, Grzegorz Korpejas, Maciej Koskolakski, Krzysztof Wasiak and David Wilkos, PLS, studied theology at the Interprovincial Theologue of Krakow. Among the guests, in addition to parents, friends, young people, there were also superiors of the Polish Salesian provinces and other various Salesians. The Salesian parish of Buterere celebrated the feast of San Domenico Savio on May 9th. The event began with a procession attended by various groups inspired by the teenage saint. 200 altar boys, 160 members of the choir, Puere Cantores, and 80 members of the group Amici di San Domenico Savio, coming from various parishes of Bujumbura. Then, the Eucharistic celebration, presided over by the parish priest Don Henry Bakishimira, followed. All ceremonies were held in the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Buterere. Thailand is experiencing the third wave of COVID-19, which causes between 2,000 and 4,000 new daily cases. Hospital facilities and field hospitals are short of beds. The Planning and Development Office of the Salesian Province of Thailand is coordinating the response to emergency of the Salesian family, which involves Salesians, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Salesian Cooperators, Association of Mary Help of Christians, Sisters Serving the Immaculate Heart of Mary, Daughters of the Royalty of Mary Immaculate, Sisters of the Royalty of Mary Immaculate, and Exalieve. Specifically, the distribution of food and economic aid to those who need is carried out without entering the so-called red zone. From 21st to 31st March at the Salesian headquarters, the accompanying course for recently appointed inspectors coordinated by the Vicar of the Rector Major, Don Stefano Martoglio, took place. 6 superiors as of many Salesian provinces of Europe were able to confront the Rector Major and his council, learn the roadmap of the 6-year-old, and learn more about the central bodies and structure of the congregation. An ancient photograph showing the monument of Mary Help of Christians at El Bonal, a remote agriculture estate located on the outskirts of Puerto Llano. This Salesian presence, now disappeared, was mainly dedicated to the function of Salesian Seminary, authorized by the diocese in 1959. The monument pictured was built in the middle of a camp near a well that served to water the different orchards of the estate. The work is due to the imagination and talent of the Salesian and sculptor Enrique Herencia. Although the Salesians left this presence in the 70s, from the street you can still contemplate the monument of Mary Help of Christians since the new owners have kept it. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.